Welcome to our enchanting journey through the world of marigold flowers. In this captivating slideshow, we'll explore the beauty, symbolism, and cultural significance of these vibrant blooms. So sit back, relax, and let the magic of marigolds unfold before your eyes. Marigolds, with their radiant petals and captivating colors, have long been cherished by gardeners and flower enthusiasts around the globe. These exquisite flowers belong to the calendula and Tagetes genera, and their unique charm has earned them a special place in various cultures and traditions. Feast your eyes on the stunning beauty of marigolds. Their petals come in a splendid array of colors, including shades of vibrant yellow, fiery orange, and deep red. The intricate layers of delicate petals create a mesmerizing visual display that brightens up any garden or floral arrangement. Marigolds hold deep cultural significance in many parts of the world. They are often associated with festivals, celebrations, and rituals. In Mexican culture, marigolds play a central role in the vibrant Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, festivities, where they are used to create colorful altars and adorn gravesites as a symbol of remembrance. Marigolds are rich with symbolism. They are often associated with concepts such as love, passion, creativity, and positive energy. These radiant flowers are believed to bring good luck, ward off negative energies, and promote joy and happiness in one's life. It's no wonder they are often included in bouquets and floral arrangements for special occasions. Beyond their visual appeal, marigolds possess medicinal properties and have been used for centuries in traditional herbal remedies. Their petals and leaves are known for their anti-inflammatory and soothing qualities. Marigold extracts are often used in skincare products and ointments to promote healthy skin and alleviate skin irritations. Marigolds also serve as a haven for beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies, attracting them with their bright colors and abundant nectar. The presence of marigolds in gardens can help support pollinators and contribute to the overall ecological balance. Marigolds are cherished by gardeners for their versatility. They are excellent companion plants, known to repel certain pests and attract beneficial insects, making them a valuable addition to vegetable gardens. Their compact size makes them suitable for container gardening, borders, and mass plantings, providing a burst of color and cheerfulness. As we conclude our journey through the world of marigold flowers, we hope you've been captivated by their beauty, symbolism, and cultural significance. These radiant blooms continue to bring joy, healing, and a touch of magic to gardens and celebrations around the world. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing exploration of marigolds. We hope this slideshow has deepened your appreciation for these exquisite flowers. Stay tuned for more captivating botanical adventures. Until next time,